gonna show you the difference between this and a $300 million mega yacht, a $50 million giga yacht, all the way down to this $1 yacht. Why did you sell me this boat for $1?
The storage just kept racking up.
Yeah.
$18,000.
It's cost you 18 grand a year to store this?
Correct.
Interesting. Here you go.
Thank you.
And after stepping on board, it was pretty clear why this yacht only cost $1. Okay, now that we're on the water, what are we working with in here?
I don't think the floor's supposed to do that. I don't know if this is even worth $1.
Oh, we're actually sinking. Oh, the boat literally started sinking right when we put it in the water.
We gotta go up. We're sinking.
Jump, Chandler!